Fab Squad. I'm trying to find a good location for my workout to begin on this trail. Oh, I think I do see a couple of good spaces. I like to have privacy. I like for it to be quiet. It's not going to be so quiet at the park, right? But this is more secluded. So I like this. Ooh. Oh man. Okay. I think I can set up here. It's not too far from the basketball court. I try not to carry too much with me, but it doesn't seem to work. No matter how much I try, I still end up having a lot. And then I carry this tank around with me. Oh boy. Which, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Wait, let me put it up. Yeah. And although it appears small, it isn't. I mean, it's kind of heavy, so I have to carry that, you know. And then I have my water, you know, and I have my keys and my phone I put here until it starts to get hot. So I think I'll take it out now. Oh. And then I try to get my workout on. So it's a little challenging, like I said, but it's a part of the workout plan. So I won't complain. I'll take a moment. I can clearly see the basketball court. I mean, there are trees covering it, but there's actually 2 women on the court. Cool. So it's not super secluded, but it is secluded. What I like, I don't know if you can see it over there. You see the pavilions? There's a couple of pavilions. Yeah, there's one. And there's another one. Yeah, and there's another one. So we've got that one there, and then there's one over here. You can see it. Yeah. So it's pretty cool. The basketball court is over here. That opening. Look at the squirrel. I don't know if you can see it going up the tree. So cool. Let's see if I can zoom in on him. It's like, lady, get away from me. This is my house. I don't know if you can see him. Oh shoot, sorry, Fab Squad. There he is. Look at him, he's posing. Oh, how cool is that? I'm always so used to seeing them moving real fast, and he's like posing like he knows his picture's being taken. Amazing. You are so cute. You are so cute. He is actually posing, you guys. knows that I'm taking his picture. Oh wait, where'd I go? Okay. Hey! Hey there! Hey, Mr. Squirrel. How are ya? You like getting your picture taken? Do you like getting your picture taken, Mr. Squirrel? Well, there's other squirrels over there, but I don't want to take my eyes off of this one. Because he is just so cool. I wonder if he's just wondering what I'm going to do. He's like, I'm just going to sit here and see what she's going to do. There's some more over here. I don't know if you can see them. Amazing. Look at that. I don't know what sound squirrels make, but I'd like to know what sounds it is that they make, like the squirrel calls and all of that. So yeah, that's why I like coming out here. You know, it's just wonderful. You know, I mean, there's trails everywhere. Trails are everywhere out here. You know, and then the lake is down at the bottom, and so yeah, I think I'm going to try to go down to the lake today and check it out. This is a wonderful day. Hey. Wonderful day. So if I can find some good music to put on and get to working out. Well, actually, I talked to the Lord. I've been trying to get clear, crisp focus and direction from God, you guys, because I really want to know what my direction should be. I don't want to just jump out and do anything without God being in the center of it. It's so important to me. So yeah, I want to do this thing, and let it be pleasing in His sight. And so with the vlog, I want to really help people. And so even though I was going to launch it out, oh, he finally moved, you guys. He finally moved. But I was going to launch it out, and I then decided, no, it's not ready. And so I have more to do. So yeah, I am, I've been seeking God for His direction and what He thinks I should do, and I want to do it right. I want Him to be pleased. So I'm going to wait, and then yeah, so yay. Hey you guys, I've been trying to work out and lose this weight in particular areas, my stomach and my back, my posture. So that's why I'm doing the yoga, you know, more so for those aspects of it. The posture, man, and it helps me to de-stress. And so I'm going to bring some basic yoga techniques to the vlog because it helps me, and it's been helping me, but I feel like it can help others as well. So look for those vlogs to be coming forth real soon. Really, 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 really super soon, okay? So those are coming as well. Gonna get my workout on now, and I will get back with you guys shortly and get in my at least my 10 minutes before the Lord in prayer and meditation, and then I'll move on. I'll check back in.
A cross-legged position we call the Sukhasana, or the easy pose, the pose of ease. Take a second here to check in with the breath by maybe looping the shoulders a couple times forward, up and back. Inhale, looping forward. Exhale, grounding down and back. Just finding a little organic movement. Maybe checking in with the neck by just maybe moving one ear over one shoulder. And then we'll go forward to your chest. Yes. The head over the heart over the pelvis. So take a second to maybe close your eyes or soften the gaze so you can just go inward a little bit here as we find alignment, head over heart, heart over pelvis. We lift the sternum, lift the chest, and then again ground down through the elbows here on the exhale. Find a nice space between the ears and the shoulders. And we just kind of come into the moment with a little integrity, whatever that means to you. For me, it means body awareness, mind awareness, noticing where my thoughts are and coming back to that body awareness. And then see if you can begin to deepen your breath here. Nice long inhale in. And a nice long juicy exhale out. Keep that going. Nice long inhalation. And a nice long extended exhale out. Draw your palms together at the heart. Take a deep breath in. Each time we come here, this is a great little beginner's tip. Each time we come to this mudra, we call it Anjali Mudra, you can think about lifting your sternum or your heart up to your chest. So often when we get a little bit tired, and we will in our practice, we can have this little reminder to loop the shoulders and lift the sternum to the thumbs each time we come to this hands at the heart or this prayer position, Anjali Mudra. So practice that now. Inhale, lift your sternum up to your thumbs. Draw your lower belly or navel in to meet your spine. So again, we're just coming into this active body, but with a sense of ease. This is going to be a wonderful tool for beginning a yoga practice, just kind of finding the balance between active body, strength, engaging qualities, and then also a softness, an ease, a lightness, a calmness, if you will. Finding a place where those two can dance and be together is what our yoga is all about. Interlace the fingertips. Follow your breath as you inhale. Press the palms forward, up and back. Nice and easy here as we climb up the side body, climb up the spine. And on your next exhale, release the fingertips down. Nothing fancy here, just checking with the body, checking with the breath. Inhale again. Forward, up and back. On your exhale, fingertips release with elegance and ease. Opening the shoulders, opening the chest, checking with the side body. One more here as we ground down through the tops of the thighs. Deep breath. And exhale, release. Great. Take your right palm to your left knee. Sit up nice and tall. Send your left fingertips behind the tailbone here. As you inhale, lift up. Lift your heart. Exhale, journey towards the left. Find a gentle twist here. Navel draws in towards the spine. And we remember that we come to the mat to have an experience in our body. So don't crank yourself into the posture. Have the experience of gently moving into the twist. Maybe closing the eyes here for one last breath. We gently release back to center and take it to the other side. Left palm to right knee. Sit up nice and tall. This time I'm going to turn to the side so you can see my spine here. The tendency is going to be to round forward. We spend a lot of time here all the time, okay? So no worries. And in time, we're going to begin to lengthen Tailbone down, lower back becomes nice and long, heart lifts, shoulder blades ground down, and we find our twist. So what I'm trying to say here is don't sacrifice this lift in the heart and this length in the spine for a deeper twist. Ouch, this is wrong, y'all, this is wrong. So find what feels right, what feels good. So it might mean that you don't go all the way far back at first. Keep a nice mindful twist here. Using that exhale to journey a little deeper, even if it's just energetically. And then gently releasing back to center. Great, take a second here, one more time to interlace the fingertips of the heart. Inhale, palms reach forward, up and back, long puppy belly, we stretch here, lift it up high, and then exhale, release fingertips to the mat. Side body stretch, nice and easy. Keep grounding through the legs here, so the legs aren't just limp here. They're nice and active. Tops of the thighs drawing down. Great. Plant your left palm or left fingertips. Yogi's choice, beginner's yogi's choice. So press into the palms or the fingertips, and then send the right fingertips up. Think up, 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 and then go over. Careful not to just go over, trying to mimic an asana that you may have seen before. Have an experience. Inhale, reach it up. Keep this lift in the heart, and then exhale, side body stretch. Now here we're not going to hold, but we're going to kind of set the tone for our yoga practice and our yoga journey by finding a little self-expression, finding a little movement here. You might sway up and down, front and back. You might close your eyes. You might stretch your mouth. You might wiggle the fingertips. Draw the shoulders away from the ears. Take a deep breath in and exhale swiftly through center and to the other side. Creating space in the body. Connecting to the breath. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's great. This kind of takes the edge off. We're going to learn some basics. We're going to focus on alignment, but really it's about that self-expression. So find a moment or two here to find a little movement.